You see them, I'm just putting one spoon here. What even a spoon this is. This I'm putting the bottle here. It takes some time because so exothermic heat will be there, and then they will start swelling. It will become solid. So
And when does it release? How does it?
when the plant is touching, it will come out.
So you put it to the plants,
You put it in the soil.
soil.
Yeah. Wherever the
Just
soil
put
particles are there, they'll pick it up.
Ideally, just around the roots, around the
Basin.
not anywhere. It will reduce
So
the
like,
runoff.
sir, if we have this mountains,
Yeah.
we can do trenches.
Correct.
Put this,
Correct.
cover the trenches, and then put plants in that, sir.
Correct.
That's one way of doing it.
Okay.
Another way, you sprinkle it everywhere.
Generally,
Ah,
over the soil.
wherever it is there, it will swell. Wherever it is there, it will swell.
Because the rainwater is retained. Rainwater doesn't flow off. You can put it in both the places. What you're saying is also working. You can-
Both are correct. Or as Sir said, put organic matter. They also hold the water. But only thing is they are not 500 times, they are 5 times, 10 times. No organic matter can go. But the cocoa peat can go up to even 15, 20 times. The coconut husk waste what is available.
They don't have any coconut there, but anyway.
Not there, outside.
It is available outside, you can get from Kerala,
So
Mangalore.
what did you say the
Actually, this is
cost
also
was?
organic material.
Cost, sir?
Zyada
This
रहता
is
है,
500 rupees
ऐसे
kilogram.
बनाते हैं।
5,000 rupees.
500 rupees.
500 rupees per kilo.
Kilogram. Sir.
But you need only 1 or 2 kilos per acre.
Yeah, yeah.
So 1,000 rupees you need per acre.
No, I'm looking at it for my dragon fruit, wherein we have difficulty. Probably put it for each pole, you know.
Exactly, exactly. That's
Put
what
it
you
for
have to
each pole separately.
Yes. You have to put it once a year only, as far as I know. The next year you have to replace it. I mean, you have to add again.
Once a
because
year.
It would
Yeah.
go into the soil.
Yeah,
It will
yeah,
go
yeah.
into the soil.
Summer I can think of doing this.
It should be done.
Actually, when you do in summer, it is effective only in the rainy season. Till then, there is no water, no? So what happens? They when the rain is there, then this gets soaked, and wherever is soaked, the individual particle of water will be holding more. The weight of the soil increases, and water holding capacity of the soil is increased, and the plant is able to take the roots after that. It's not. It doesn't get evaporated so fast. It takes some time, but then
If it doesn't run off, it doesn't evaporate. The rainwater just stays there. How long does it take to?
It's around 10-15 minutes it will take.
Okay.
If I put little more, then it will be.
No, it doesn't matter. We'll wait through. But meanwhile, we can have other questions also. You were about to say not bamboo, but something else. If you had any other, when he was asking.
Yeah, that is all. You should go only for xerophytes if you are looking at no water. Then cactus related plants.
Cactus. That gives income. If you don't know.
Aloe vera.
then
Aloe vera is one of the, or dragon fruit. It's also another.
it grows with less water.
Less water.
Yeah, less water.
Water is less. Consumption is less. They don't evaporate water. See, now water consumption is related. How? It's not that to make a product that they use the water. They retain the temperature by evapotranspiration of water. So every plant has got a transpiration rate. How much you transfer. If I'm not sweating anything, I will not become thirsty. If I'm sweating a lot, I'll become thirsty. That water demand is depending on the transpiration loss.
We have got khajur, date palms.
Ah.
76 or so plants per acre. 24 by 24.
Okay, sir.
And how much water we are giving once a week, once a day, or fixed length is
3 days course is
fixed 3 days.
fixed for any dates.
3 days we are giving. We can give you fix for free. You don't even have to buy the sampling because it is this thing. And 3 days go yanta istam water how much you get a
3 hours is
so you calculate and tell approximately it is nowhere near 20,000.
This peanut husk is also
being used in construction, sir.
That's also used for
So you can
more for
try to
energy.
fix it
Husk
and
is
go.
not holding that much
Already
into
done
water.
with first year se humko
They are 1:2, 1:1.5 times.
crops are we are selling
Coconut fiber
we
waste.
are selling fix very good fix.
from the
20
coconut
20
fruit,
grams.
whatever it is coming.
The coconut when you take a shell, no, outside it's got a fiber and
Right.
powder.
Ah.
That powder, it's called cocoa peat.
So entire shell can be converted into that.
Not the shell. Shell is the one which is holding the coconut
Ah.
inside.
The fibrous portion.
Fibrous material is called fiber.
कुछ भी खर्चा नहीं करना और बिल भी उठना होना तो नहीं हो सकता and it is free. I mean we'll just give you the
Because
service.
we
You can just-
peanut farmers are there, no?
No
That's
cost.
what.
Yeah. Another thing is
और
actually
थोड़ा
all these
पानी डाल
peanut,
सकते
all the
हो,
material, no,
अच्छा
you should
It's
shred
very
them,
high
use it in the
good
soil.
Yeah.
They will
put
at
it
least
in.
extend like this, whatever you are doing,
Those
it's
are-
available with you also. So this is the construction of the bamboo, how they use the construction for building construction. Normally steel is used for column. This is a column, the column put to the column. Now this is the stage at which the concrete is converted to concrete. It is almost 14 years back. Now this a column is converted, the column still the bamboo is extended here, you can see them, and this is the one which is going to hold the building. So till the above the ground, it comes up to the above the ground, and the plinth beam, that's also again bamboo tie-up. Plinth beam completely. After the plinth beam, you rise up brick to put the soil and to put this ground. So for that, this is the ground is completed. You can see the concrete. This is also with the bamboo. The column is extended now. Another row for the ground floor, and the same bamboo is still further going. But steel wheel normally straight. Bamboo's little bend is there and all that. You can see that it's all there. Now the column box is still there. They remove the column box, then they go for the platform at the top, which is the roof for the first floor. The roof also completely bamboo. The spacer kept for the roof is all bricks, and the electric line securing is going on. Then they'll put the concrete. Once the concrete is made, then the first floor is getting over. This is the first floor. Again, the column is raised up. So this is a 2-story building. After completion of the shell, the brick is put inside. And these are all the bamboo-based reinforcement. Now, after the brick is put, plastering, they become a normal building.
So basically we are removing steel.
Exactly.
What is the
Bamboo replaces steel.
What is the advantage of
Cost.
Thermal efficiency.
2-3 things. Yeah, thermal efficiency is one. Cost of the material. Now, bamboo, a kilogram will cost you maybe around 10 rupees maximum. Worst come worst. I said farmers 5 rupees only, 10 rupees a kilogram. Steel will cost you 80 rupees to 90 rupees a kilogram.
So one
Huh?
70 rupees.
70 rupees a kilogram. Right. Now, then the second is there is no carbon footprint on the steel. Because this is a cement, there is a carbon footprint, but not for this. The third most important thing, if there is an earthquake, if it is bending, bamboo will not break. The steel can break at a particular point of time. The tensile strength will be able to be broken, but bamboo doesn't break because if you see the trees, all the trees, when the tsunami comes, when the hurricane comes, tree all break. Coconut will break. All the trees will break. It will bend, break. Bamboo is the only plant.
So this
bends,
is
bends, comes back.
Any particular type of bamboo or anything?
All bamboo.
Any bamboo can be
Any
used.
bamboo can be.
Why are they selling steel then? This is a pretty good thing.
Yeah. And what you should do is, the bamboo by itself has got some starch. That starch will attract the aging process sooner. You have to see that it is treated to remove the starch. Put in the water, soak it in the water and do that. Then it will be able to do this. Now, India, we have so much of the bamboo, we don't use it. Country like Malaysia does not have bamboo. It's there, but not like Indian bamboo we have. There they make the road with this platform. In a swampy land, we put soil, and then finally we put this. I'll show you the. This is swampy land. Road is going to be coming in this road.
This is
Road
Malaysia.
is going to cross through this now.
This is Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Heavy rains also there.
This just started putting it down. Next stage. Longest shot of the same stage road on the Malaysia, where the base is bamboo, and when it is completely made, cross left, right. After that,
So, did you advise them or they already knew?
they are doing it, sir.
They are
It's a
doing it.
traditional knowledge, sir.
What are we doing with all
Are they?
this?
That's right.
Gaumutra is our knowledge. We have filled our brain with Gobar and Gaumutra. Really?
This is
This
on the
is such a
side of the
wonderful
road.
thing, yeah.
To extend the road, they buried the bamboo, and again side of the road. Can you see the top? They started putting the soil on the top of this now, and further up.
So
This
Gadkaji,
full road is made one side. Just let me finish. And they put one more sheet, plastic sheet. It's a way of doing it. There is no stone, concrete below that. Okay. Now the soil started coming here, and the soil is getting extended, and the full soil is good.
So what is the shelf life, sir?
Sir,
Shelf life.
self-life. This is forever, sir. In the water, bamboo lives for long. I do not know how many years, maybe 30, 40, 50 years.
so
In
Gadkari
the
ji is
Philippines, they use it for fishing, boat. It's not because of hollow station, but to be able to withstand the salt water.
so Gadkari ji is most scientific minister right now. Both roads and ethanol, he is very big. Yeah. So
Sir, I'll tell you, I met him around 15 years back. Not 15, sorry, 13 years back. About 13 years back. Means a lot of ministers sitting. Everybody was asked to stop to the ministers there to give a bamboo mission, one of their sir. After the meeting, so he called me, give me a card. I gave his card, gave me a card. He sent his son here to check whatever I was talking is rubbish or it is. He sent his son for 3 days.
3 days.
You are coming for 3 hours. 3 days. He stayed here with his team of people from Kutu Sugar and all these
Maharashtra people.
They all stayed together, very senior managers, general manager, practical manager. Went through all this, went and saw the bamboo field, went and that and Infosys was there, he went and met the Infosys vice president, went and see the field. He went to a factory which is using the bamboo to produce electricity. That factory he went and saw many farmers, any distance, no problem. He said, I'll go. I sent my people also along with them. So went, he saw everything. After that, within Gadkari, he will, every meeting, you just take his meeting, anything in the cell phone, bamboo meeting within Gadkari. He will say about the Bheema.
We'll talk about this.
Yes. He'll say, you can grow any bamboo, but grow Bheema Bamboo. That gives the highest yield. Even ministers, forest minister of Maharashtra is sitting there, you all using bamboo, but use Bheema Bamboo, that is the best one. Even after his declaration, nothing is happening. He went one step more. He made people to make the guard along the road. No, you make this road safety guard. That he asked them to make it with the Bheema Bamboo institution in Nagpur. They made it. All experiments were conducted, lorry to heat everything, how it's able to withstand. All they studied, and he told everybody to make a safety, road safety with the bamboo, the Bheema Bamboo. Then one more step he has made now. Between Bombay to Delhi, the new highway was made, national highway is being made. Both sides, the last end bamboo should be Bheema Bamboo road, complete 1 to 1. So that is the one is able to remove the carbon. Because I told them, we can make a road, a net zero road, a carbon negative road or oxygenated tunnel. Because when they remove the carbon dioxide, it removes the carbon, release the oxygen. And when you're driving, we are driving through a carbon dioxide mandal. So previous fellow smoke, previous lorry smoke, everything coming in. When you put a down window for a fresh air, you're not taking fresh air. The previous fellow's carbon dioxide getting charged into your room. And I used to have a meter, then this meter will be able to read, so to tell us what is the level of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide, the whole global warming, it was started with 280 ppm, has become 300, 320 ppm. So 380 ppm, tsunami came. Now we have gone to 410 ppm, 412 ppm today. But this is a globe. Bangalore shows 1,200, 1,400. On the road, 3,000, 4,000 inside a car. Take the meter and put it and see this. It's so pathetic, none of us working towards that. Road, some bank people came to me and said they want to make some donations to us. I said, do island, oxygen island, the roadside, which is a bus shelter, put few bamboo plant, take the plant, put the bamboo plant. You'll be able to give shade, it will be the oxygen rich place. When they stand there, they'll be able to. But only police department in Tamil Nadu, they listened to me. Their living place, police quarters, living quarters, they planted my bamboo.
మీ ఇంట్లో దగ్గర వేసుకోండి
They put the
ఆక్సిజన్ అని వస్తుంది
measure, you will see the difference. I have a meter, video also. On the road, the oxygen content is what you have out breathing. Normally 20.9% is the oxygen content in the air, which is next to the seashore, not inside the town. Bangalore and all it has got 14%, 16%. The road highway, 14-16% only. Next to the bamboo, which you came inside and 30%.
130. No, we have got all the time. Please.
So the bamboo is able to make so many products because you said